All right, so today we got a 2014 Nissan Rogue, excuse me, 4-cylinder, and we're doing an oil light reset. Now we'll just give you the whole hop in the car, you can start it, and it's gonna come right up on the menu if you need it. I didn't reset it yet, I'm pretty sure. There you go, maintenance, oil and filter. Come over here, and you're gonna literally hit this button, this one, until you get to there. You're gonna go down to maintenance, hit enter by pushing it in, oil and filter, enter by pushing it in, down to reset, ooh, a little over there, and then hit reset. Actually, I think you hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, maybe not. Oh, there you go. And then hit reset, yes. And then boom, hit reset. Source, go back out. Sorry, we turned the radio on. And now just so you can double check, turn the car off, open the door, close the door, start the car. And that light should now not be on. It should not be the first thing it says. And boom. Nissan oil light reset.